Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download Quotex on PC or laptop. The first thing, just go in your browser, then type in this Quotex download. After you do that, scroll down up until you find web catalog. Then click on this link. After this opens, then you can download for Windows or for Mac. Say let's download for Windows. You have to follow this. Download the web catalog, install it, launch it, then sign in to web catalog. After that, search for Quotex, then install Quotex within web catalog, and you run it on your laptop or PC. Another thing you can try is to go on the official website, which is qxbroker.com. Make sure you type in this correctly. After you do that, go on these three dots, then go where it says Get, Save, and Share, and make sure you install Quotex into your browser so that it will be like a program on your computer. After you do that, and you're done.